Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be covering how to activate your LSSC device daily so that you can secure your passive income and avoid any missing payouts. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So every morning you open the LSSC application or you come at lightshha.com, which is the website for LSSC scooter company. Now over here, once you log in into your account and tap on the run section, over here you will have to hit the blue button that says closed, and that's it. Just one tap a day, Monday to Friday, to keep your earning flowing. So when it's time to withdraw, you need to come back at the home page, and over here you need to tap on the three lines in the top left hand corner of the screen. Then tap on the withdrawal option and you will be landed on this withdrawal page. Over here you can withdraw your money in the form of cryptocurrencies. So you need to just provide the wallet address here, select the network, and you can withdraw your money from here very easily. So your funds will then be sent to your crypto wallet. It only takes a few seconds a day to keep earning, so you can set an alarm if needed, because if you forget to activate it, you don't get paid. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.